Do you want to freeze columns and rows at the same time in Excel? Hi, I'm Josephine and you are welcome. Today I'll be showing you how you can freeze rows and columns in Excel. First, we'll start with how you can freeze the first row and the first column in Excel. And then I will show you how you can freeze multiple rows and multiple columns on Excel. So stay tuned and let's get right into it. Okay, so let's get started. First, I would like to show you how you can freeze the first row and the first column, and I've highlighted this in orange color. So to freeze the first row, you click on the cell of the first row, then go to the view tab. From there, click on freeze panes and you select freeze top row. So as you can see, the top row is frozen. It is static as I'm scrolling my data up and down. Also, to freeze the first column, which is also highlighted in yellow, click on it, click on the column, then go back to the view tab, click on freeze panes and select freeze first column. And in this case too, you can see as I'm moving my cursor left, right, center, the data is moving left, right, but the first column is frozen. So that's the first scenario. The second scenario is I want to freeze multiple rows and multiple columns at the same time. To do this, what you do is that you count the number of rows you want to freeze. Let's say, in this example, I'm going to use the portion I've highlighted green to demonstrate. So you see that there are 7 rows above that are highlighted green. I want to make the first 7 rows static, and I also want to make the first 2 columns static. To make the first 7 rows static, if I want to select the first 2 columns and the first 7 rows, what I'll do is I'll click on a cell on the row number 8, and then I'll also click on the column, the third column. So the proper intersection of the cell that I'm supposed to select is what, cell C8. I'm supposed to select C8. That will enable me to keep this column and this column static, and also these rows above static. So I'll select cell C8, which is Georgia. Then I'll go back to my view tab. I'll go back to my view tab, click on it, then click freeze panes and select freeze panes. So as I'm scrolling down, you see the first 7 rows are static, and if I go left and right, if I move the cursor left, right, it's also the first two columns are also static, they are not moving. So this is how you select multiple rows and multiple columns and keep them static in Excel. If you found this content helpful, kindly subscribe and click on the like button for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.